In the world of dairy farming, what you grow is just as important as what you raise. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, one truth remains. Healthy dairy cattle begin with healthy feed. That's where the magic of forages comes in, the lifeblood of efficient and profitable livestock operations. This is a down-to-earth, practical toolkit to help dairy farmers like you unlock the full potential of pasture lands, hayfields, and silage pits. With the right strategies, you can turn every acre into a powerhouse of nutrition, boosting your dairy cattle's productivity while saving on expensive feed bills. Let's dig deep into the three pillars of successful forage production: pasture, hay, and silage, and learn how to grow, harvest, and store them right. Pasture is the most cost-effective feed for your herd when it's managed wisely. It's important to have a balanced approach that focuses on diverse forage species, mixing grasses with legumes to boost protein content and fix nitrogen in the soil. Soil health comes first, so use regular soil tests to determine fertilizer and lime needs. Healthy soil grows healthy plants. Weed management is crucial. Eliminate competition early using proper grazing schedules or selective herbicides. Rotational grazing is essential. Move animals frequently between paddocks to prevent overgrazing, give forage time to regrow, and promote sustainability. A well-managed pasture not only feeds your livestock, but also improves soil fertility, water retention, and biodiversity. When pasture isn't available, especially during droughts or winter, high-quality hay becomes your feed lifeline. The secret to top-tier hay lies in perfect timing, cut during the early bloom stage when nutrient levels peak. Moisture matters. Aim for 12% to 18% moisture when baling. If conditions aren't ideal, use hay preservatives to prevent mold and spoilage. Smart handling is key. Use tedders, rakes, and proper drying techniques to protect leaf material and maintain nutritional value. Proper storage is essential. Store hay under cover or on elevated platforms to protect from rain, moisture, and pests. Great hay is more than just dry grass. It's stored nutrition that fuels growth, lactation, and reproduction. If you're aiming for maximum feed efficiency, especially in dairy or beef operations, silage is your secret weapon. Silage is high-moisture forage that's been fermented to preserve nutrients. Here's how to master it. Chop smart. Harvest at 60% to 65% moisture. Uniform particle size ensures consistent packing. Pack it tight. Use tractors or equipment to remove as much air as possible from silage piles or bunkers. Seal the deal. Cover tightly with plastic sheets and secure the edges. Oxygen is the enemy of good fermentation. A rapid pH drop is crucial. Successful silage should reach a pH below 4.0 quickly to stop bad bacteria and lock in energy. When done right, silage can outperform hay in digestibility and palatability, leading to higher milk yields and faster weight gains. To feed smart, you need to know what's in your forage. The importance of forage testing cannot be overstated. Focus on TDN, total digestible nutrients. Energy content that fuels growth, NDF and ADF. Fiber content affecting intake and digestibility, and RFV and RFQ, indicators of overall forage value and animal performance. Regular testing ensures you're not just feeding, you're strategically nourishing your herd. In every bale, pasture strip, or silage pit lies the opportunity to elevate your dairy farming operation. You can take the guesswork out of forage production and step into a more resilient, efficient, and profitable future. Remember, good forage isn't an expense. It's an investment in animal health, farm sustainability, and your own peace of mind. So whether you're walking your fields at dawn or checking moisture before baling, let every step be guided by smart science, better soil, and the age-old wisdom of good forage.